Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So this GoldX testnet is ongoing. So I'm going to show you how you can be able to be claiming at this 0.05 GoldX testnet token. So and you can actually claim it directly to your MetaMask and it will show in your balance, just like the one you're seeing on my screen. I have $185.92 worth of GoldX token. So the text test goes like this. First of all, I'll drop the link to get registered to their website first. So we have two links that we'll be dealing with, and I will also show you how to add this token to your MetaMask. So just like the one I'm having here, I'm going to show you at the end of this video, because I'm going to first of all show you how to claim, then to add your MetaMask GoldX testnet and the mainnet token address, so that once you claim it, you can be able to see it in your balance. So first of all, after registering with the link in the description of this video, you create an account on their website, guys. So you are creating an account to be registered on their website. So all you need is just your email and I think some other details there. Now after registering, what do you need to do? You have to actually come to this place. This is search bar. You see, this is MetaMask search bar. You have to come here. Okay, you tap on it, it will load up. Okay, it will load up. You now come to this place. So you are searching on this. Just use this search option. Okay, you tap on the search key, it will bring you a new option to cancel the old searched info. So what you're going to do is you type GoldX. Okay, you see what I'm typing on my search box. So just type GoldX, okay, .gold. Okay, GoldX.gold. Yeah. Okay, I think it can be corrected. All you need is to mark all. Okay, just need to mark all if you want. Okay, let me cancel this one and write it afresh. I think that is what I need to do. That is what I need to do. I think I'm having some glitches with my network. It's not allowing me to cancel it, but let me try again. Okay guys, let me try again to know if it will work out for me. I think I'm having network glitches. Okay, just be patient. I'm going to show you how everything works in this video right away. Okay, let me just click on wait, and then I'll click on this. I have to click on this, right? Okay, let me try again. I think this has to be done first. I think I'm having an issue with this. Okay guys, after you follow this step that I'm going to show you at the end of this video, both adding your mainnet GOLDX mainnet address, so you come to this search bar and type GoldX.gold. so you now click on search. Okay, let's see what it's going to bring to us. Okay, as you can see, but you need to switch this to the net. Okay, it's already on this, so you can see this is the free GoldX token. So and you can actually claim this token right away. Okay, just come down here, click this get GoldX every day. So you do it every single day to accumulate a lot of this GoldX token. So you can see that thanks for using our faucet. Now make sure to register to gain even more GoldX. So once you registered on their website with the link I will send you in the description of this, that is the first step. So just register, then you go ahead and add the mainnet that I'm going to show you, mainnet address that I'm going to show you to MetaMask. So this is actually the last step, which is claiming it every single day. So I have shown you the last step now, so let me go ahead and show you how to add the mainnet address to your MetaMask. so that you can be able to be claiming it and also be seeing your balance just like the one you're seeing on my screen. So after 24 hours, the claimed bonus will return. So I'm going to see my claimed bonus here after 24 hours. So that is how it works. So now watch out how to add the token or the address to your MetaMask. So guys, the very first thing you're going to do, as I was saying, is to click the link in the description of this video. So once you've clicked on the link, it will bring you to this website where you're going to put your details correctly and ensure you register your account here. So once you've registered successfully, you can go ahead and then add the main network address, which I'm going to show you once I am done addressing on how to register. So you need to put your details correctly. Select your country code here. So just select here the one that that is your country code. So add your phone number, then a verification code will be sent to your email that you're going to use here. So the verification code can be found under the spam folder in your email box. So don't search for it in anywhere else. It might not actually be seen there, but the accurate place you might find it is in your spam folder. So when you find it in your spam folder, you go ahead and verify successfully. So once you verified your account, you come to this place. So to copy your referral link, if you want to share your link with your friends or with anybody, you can click here and then you put the email you've registered. So if you are successfully registered, you are going to put the email address you used here. So that is all you need to do. Then you tap here, the link will be shown immediately after you've done that. So that is all you need to do about the registration. So now the second step is to go to your MetaMask, which I'm going to show you, and add the mainnet address. Okay guys, so let's open our MetaMask and go straight to add the mainnet network so that we can be able to copy the wallet address and use if you want to use it, or you can be able to use add it to appear on your screen so that you can be able to see the gold token that you're claiming from this testnet. So I'm going to show you. You have to take it serious, guys. This is a big project. So the points that you're going to be earning here is going to be amazing. So once you've claimed every day, you come the following day and claim again. So that is how you claim daily. You can earn up to 0.05 gold token, GOLDX token, so which can be shown in your balance in USDT. So you can see my own here. So how do you get to add the network now? You need to claim or click on this three dotted line by the left top corner here. So you will see settings. So you click on this setting. So this is setting icon here. Just tap on setting. You now be able to come to this place and you see network. So just see this network. You are going to add the details. I'll drop the details in the description of this video so that, and also in the group for easy access. So you can come there and copy it, or you can write down the one that I'm going to add in the description of this video. So you need to add network. So just tap on add network. My own is already showing here because I've added it. I followed the same step that I'm showing you to add it, and it will appear here so that you can select it and see your tokens. So you now come to this custom network. You tap on it. Now you put the network name. So the network name is going to be Gold Mainnet, so GOLDX Mainnet. So just look very well. I will describe everything in the additional video. So after I add the link, I'll add the networks so that you can be able to put them accurately, and then click on add. So that is how it is. You can do it carefully and you get the maximum result, so that once you claim, you can be able to see your balance reflecting everything. So that is how it is being done. So after you're done, you tap on this last one where the network is being shown to be added. So that is all you need to do. Now The next thing, which is the last thing you're going to be doing, is to be coming to the website which I've shown you, which is through the MetaMask search bar. You come to this place, tap on this option after the swap. So you're going to see it down here. So to claim this GoldX token, you need to come here, click on this search on your MetaMask behind the central button. So you need to tap on it. Now it's going to bring us to the search option. So I'm going to show you again for the last time how you can do that. So what you need to do is to once the section is opened, you're going to type GoldX.gold, GoldX.gold. So we have done this in the beginning of this video, so we are doing it for the last time because it's the last step you need to follow to get your GoldX token testnet. So now it's opened. We need to search for GoldX.gold. So account 1 now active, so we're going to search GoldX. I think I'm having network glitches right now, so let me see if it will work out, so that I will show you the express way to do that for the last time. So once you've claimed, you come back every 24 hours and do that again. So that is how it works. So let's wait to see if it's going to work out. If not, I've already shown you for the first time how to claim it. So I actually claimed live here, and it's going to drop in my MetaMask within 24 hours. So that is how it works. Now okay, let me know if it's going to pop up, because I've already typed it, but I think network searching on MetaMask sometimes can be so annoying. So I'll now type dot. Okay, I've typed dot gold, so I'm putting gold now. Okay, putting gold, think dot gold. It's not showing up, but let's wait patiently. It's coming up gradually. So this is the last step. You need not to miss it. So I'm posting it in the description of everything you need to do, and also in the group for more guidance. If you stuck at any point, you can chat me up on WhatsApp, and I can be able to reply to you immediately and fix it up for you. So that is how it is. Now let's wait for this to load up. Now it has added. So what I need is to tap on this search, or you just click on this one here. So it's going to load up for us. Let's wait for it to load up. So it's glitchy, network is bad, so but you need to be patient with the process, guys. Okay, it has actually brought us to this place. This is the faucet, so we're claiming the free airdrop on this faucet page. So it's loading up, okay, it's loading up. Now we need to wait, let it load completely, so that you can scroll down and see where to claim. That is it, guys. Just wait patiently. When doing testnet, it can be you are testing their tokens, you are testing the project goal to see if it is functioning well. So once distribution is done, you can follow the same step and claim, or actually convert the already claimed to usable token. So that is how it works here. That's why you need to be patient and master the process really well. So the faucet will remain open continuously. There will only ever be a slight gap to gather unique wallet address data. So within 30 minutes per round. So each faucet round we have a fixed pool of GoldX dollar per 10,000 unique accounts. So just need to wait. It's loading up gradually. Once it's done loading, we'll go ahead and indicate how to claim. So I've already done this, so just try and do your own. Register first, then add the tokens Now, the second step, third step is to do this particular one we are doing right now. Okay. All right, all right, all right, all right. Let me see how it goes.